To search for a ride, start by accessing the App Store and downloading the BlaBlaCar app, which offers carpooling and bus services. Once the app is downloaded, exit the App Store and locate the BlaBlaCar app. Upon opening the app, you will see various options, including search, publish your rides, inbox, and profile, with the search tab being the primary focus. In the search tab, you will need to enter your travel details, including your starting and ending points, as well as the date of travel. Additionally, you will need to specify the number of passengers. After entering this information, you can view available ride options, which may vary depending on your location and travel date. If there are no available options, the app will indicate this. To proceed, click the blue search button with white lettering. By following these steps, you can easily search for rides on BlaBlaCar.